Hi everyone out there, Bernie Tully, personal injury lawyer from the law firm of Tully and Tully in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Phone number 412-281-8700 to talk to you today about the two most crucial things you must know regarding a wrongful death case, and can absolutely torpedo your case unless you know these two things. First of all, if you have a wrongful death, if someone you know and love, a family member, is killed tragically, negligently by someone else, and the loved one dies instantly, you have no claim for pain and suffering for your wrongful death case. A lot of times people are flabbergasted by that statement. If the deceased dies instantly in the crash, we're assuming this is a car collision with a truck or something like that. If it dies instantly, your loved one, you have no right to get money for pain and suffering. Now, there are ways though that we deal with that particular issue. And one of the ways is we have our own expert that reviews the records from the scene, from the photographs, from the police, the investigators, from the action reconstructionists. And a lot of times when the report says the person died instantaneously, they didn't. They might have been alive for 3 or 4 seconds before they passed. And even though it's only 3 or 4 seconds, it was 3 or 4 seconds of hell. And that could be worth huge money. But you need an expert that's going to be able to evaluate that and state that. And the second thing to keep in mind of in a wrongful death case is absolutely crucial is this. As soon as the injury occurs, if it's a serious injury, within a day, you are playing an away game unless you have an attorney, hopefully like us, involved in your wrongful death case. Why? Because the other side is immediately going to the scene, interviewing witnesses, and doing the investigation before you've even met with an attorney. So you're behind the 8 ball unless you get an attorney involved immediately on your wrongful death. Believe it or not, there's an attorney here in our area who I know personally who gets on a helicopter after a bad crash and flies by the helicopter to the scene of the collision and is immediately getting names, addresses, all the information that they can use to hurt you and your loved one's case. So you want to get in touch with us immediately after a collision, especially a fatality, so we can try to level the playing field. That's what we do. We've been doing it for 35 years now. Tully and Tully. Our phone call is free, and give us a try and you'll see that we're passionate about trying to help you. 412-281-8700. Bernie Tully. Thank you.